Grand Rising. So let's talk about the feeling you get when you're manifesting, okay? So this feeling that fills you up inside is going to be like comfort, ease, assurance, security. So you're going to feel secure in everything that you do. And I mean, waking up in the morning, you're going to feel refreshed. Your body's going to feel good. Your mental thoughts are going to be good. The way that you imagine, the way that you see yourself, your self-concept, things will start to change when you know that your manifestation is very near. You're going to start meeting people with great opportunities. You're going to start crossing a bridge of incidents to meet this person. You're going to want to go look this up and look that up. And that's when you know you're getting close to your manifestation. The feeling is going to overwhelm you. It's going to dwell within your heart. And you're going to be certain that it's there. You're going to be certain.